today we're going to find out whether or not SeaWorld Orlando is still worth a visit in 2024. Let's get it. "12 years ago I was last here. Obviously you can imagine the nostalgia's on a high today. Really happy to be here at SeaWorld Orlando. We're going to head to Manta first. We'll see you when we're there. I first rode this ride when I was just 8 years old, so let's go see if it is what it was back then. Excited?
Very.
Excited.
Very.
Let's go get on the ride. We're braving it right off the bat. We're going on the last row of Manta, which of course is the fastest row. Oh wow, I can't wait. 12 years and we're back on Manta. Can't wait. Look at that. No, you don't. Yeah. So we just got finished up on Manta. It was just as good as I remember it from all those years ago. Really good ride. Now we're going to head to Kraken. Yeah, they didn't want to be videoed. Quick change of plan. It makes more sense to hit Journey to Atlantis next. I'm not sure if you've ever been to SeaWorld or not, but Journey to Atlantis is their log flume. I guess it's yeah, got a bit of a mermaidy theme to it. And from what I remember, you get quite wet. With the weather as hot as it is, about 33 degrees today, it's more than ideal. I hope I never go out of this stuff. From what I remember, this flume has 3 different drops, the last one of which is like a proper roller coaster. So yeah, excited to give this one a go. So we just got done on Journey to Atlantis, as you can tell. How was that?
Very good.
That was very good. We got so wet. I was a bit worried about the camera. Had to keep it in my pocket, but you can see just how wet we got. Now we're going to go and get some lunch, and then we're going to head to Kraken. So yeah, we've just stopped off for lunch at the, what's this restaurant called? It's a restaurant outside. It's a restaurant outside Journey to Atlantis, and I just wanted to show you the all-day dining offer that we've got here. It comes part of the package, and as you can see, for free every 90 minutes, we've got a long bit of pizza, we've got a cake and a drink. What have you gone for?
Chicken tenders and fries.
And a nice orange Fanta over there, as you can see. To think that this was included in the price of our ticket, which was already discounted anyway, is amazing. So we're going to tuck into this and we'll catch you when we're finished. Seems like the ride's undergone a massive revamp since I was last here. It used to be a nice blue colour. Now, as you can see, it's all green. We're here. So we just got done on the Kraken, as you can see. Just walking out the ride now. It was literally a 5-minute queue. Bearing in mind, I used to queue a couple of hours for that ride. That's crazy. So Matt's just in the midst of eating his churro. How much do you pay for that churro?
For that, $9.78.
$9.78 for that. I think we better head to Mako to make up for it, you know what I mean? We're going to go to Mako, it's just this way. Look at the size of that fish. Oh mate. A load of different sharks over here, some white tips, black tips. Have a look and see what we can see. Load of fish. Oh, hello. 25-minute queue turned out to be a 10-minute queue. We'll catch you when we're off the ride. It's the ride we took yesterday, so obviously wasn't a surprise, but it's just completely reassured me that is the best ride here at SeaWorld. It's amazing. If you're in the area, come and give it a go. You won't regret it. I know you shouldn't, but there we are. That is quality. What a time we've had. Amazing. The sun is bright, it's really hot. We're going to head to the river rapids. It's a new ride that's been here a few years. Excited to give this one a go. You ready to get wet?
Yes.
You know what time it is? As you can see, quite wet. We've just got finished on the rapids. Probably going to put the camera away for a bit now, and then we're going to head to the other side of the park. We'll see you later when we're over there. The weather today is absolutely wonderful. It's currently 34 degrees, and to be quite honest, it doesn't feel like it. It's not too hot at all. Yet another new ride that wasn't here the last time I came. Not even sure what this one's called. Just finished up on the Pipeline, the brand new stand-up coaster they have here at SeaWorld. Gotta be honest, much better than I was expecting. Just quickly turn off the aircon. I just wanted to quickly come on here and say, what a day we have had at SeaWorld Orlando. As I mentioned at the start of the video, today is the first visit I have made to SeaWorld in nearly 12 years. The last time I went to SeaWorld, I wasn't even half the age I am today. What I must say is it's just as good, if not better, than what I remember. And I guess I've kind of grown up now. Here we go. This here is the t-shirt that I wore today. And as you might be able to see, it is an absolute state. The reason being, we went on Journey to Atlantis 3 times. We also went on the, I think it's the River Rapids. I'm not sure what it's exactly called. SeaWorld has a load of water attractions, which we made full use of today, given it was 34 degrees. As the title says, is SeaWorld still worth the visit this year? Yes. In my opinion, yes it is. I don't usually do outros, but of course today's video has been slightly different. I guess it's been like a review, if you like. Not a very serious review, of course. We've not gone into depths about anything too much. I just kind of wanted to share with you my experience on each of the rides. The food and drink as well was fantastic. We've actually brought home with us some pizza, so I'll probably be having that later on this evening. Maybe save it in the fridge. Tomorrow we're heading to Aquatica, which is effectively SeaWorld's water park. Today we've gone to the dry park. Tomorrow we're going to the water park, and I'm obviously going to be bringing you all on my GoPro. I'm not going to be taking this camera with me because, of course, yeah, I'm not going to be taking that in the water. I will see you all next week.